Divorce, let me tell you something. There's always an opportunity when people are going through divorce. Always an opportunity. Now, I've bought a lot of properties from people going through divorce. I don't apologize for it. I go right in there and I say, I have a situation that I believe I can help you get rid of your property. And see, here's what I learned about people going through divorce. When people want to get rid of each other, they definitely want to get rid of anything that ties each other together, which would be a piece of real estate. Now, I'm going to go into this in depth. I don't know how many lessons from now, but right now I'm just going to give you a concept because that's what a mentor should be. I'm going to give you the ideas, and if you like the idea, go research it on your own. You don't have to have me teach you how to do each strategy if I just tell you the strategy. It's called multiple notes. I became very famous on the national speaker circuit by teaching multiple notes, which no one had ever even taught about in this arena. Multiple notes is when you have, let's say when you go to a mortgage company to borrow money, you have to sign two documents. One is a promissory note. Now, let's do a case study. You're going to borrow $100,000 as a mortgage. There's two documents, the note and the mortgage. The promissory note lays out how much money you're borrowing and what the terms are for your repayment. The mortgage says if you don't do what you promised on the note, this document gives us a right to take the property back. Two different pieces of paper. What I created, now I'm going to do it simply now, was three pieces of paper. I made two $50,000 notes and one $100,000 mortgage. Did you see that? So I would go into a divorce. No one else could help them solve their problems. I walked in and put deals together constantly. Here's a simple transaction I did on divorce. How much do you owe on your property? They'd tell me. I said, I'll take that over. How much is your equity? They told me, and I said, in my head, I would divide that into two, and I said, I will give you this for your house. And I'd take their equity, divide it into two with one mortgage. If they said, we got $30,000 equity here. Okay, I'll give you two $15,000 notes. Ma'am, you take one. Sir, you take the other one. And if I default on either one of them, y'all can get the house back. And I bought more properties because everybody else is out here. There was no way that either of them would let one collect the money and send them their half, or let the other one collect the money and send them half. But a simple solution, I took the equity and I divided it into two, and I made a promissory note for each of those, and I gave them each a note, and I paid them each. That simple strategy, I was able to buy divorce properties all over the place.